Well, hello everybody, it's me, Sam, right here with another video. As you can see, we are already unboxed because this is take 2 on the video. I did the first video and had a little bit of a struggle with this thing, so I'll let you know what it was. So, we're already out of the box. Take 2 out of this video. So, we're taking a look at today the Dymo label maker, PNP, which stands for plug and play. So it's a plug and play device. It's supposed to just plug into your Windows or Mac PC, not compatible with Android or iOS. And it's just plug and play. It has built-in software. That's what I've seen in some videos. And yeah, I don't think there's any drivers or anything to install. Got some information in the back. We'll let you take a look at that if you want, if you can see it clearly enough, hopefully. But anyway, so it's out of the box, so let's take a look. Right here, so what you get in the box? Well, first of all, you get everything. It gets packed in this little egg crate stuff. And you get instruction manuals. Very important to read. Yeah, which is what I had to do. Second time I make this video, and I kind of thought I knew everything and had to struggle with how the battery went in, so I had to scrap that video and do it again because I struggled way too much. Like 3 minutes of just trying to put the battery in. And there's about a million things I could say about that, but there'll be a lot of cuss words in there, so I'm not going to do it. But I got it. I went back and read the manual, so it's important. If you open the device and you really can't figure out what to do or you're having trouble with something, read the manual. So you get the manual, you get the device, you get a lithium-ion battery, which this is what powers the device. Being that it's plug and play, it only uses one single USB cable and it doesn't need a separate AC like other label makers. So you get your standard USB-A and your this square-looking port. This is another type of USB. This is one that is found on this is the one that is found mostly on peripherals like printers and disk drives and things like that. CD-ROM drives, I think. I don't even think they use floppy disk drives anymore. And you get one cassette with tape. Now I recommend that you pick up a few more of these when you order, if you can, because they do give you one free cassette to start with. Plain white labels, I'm thinking. Yeah, it looks like plain white labels. But you don't get a lot of tape. So they're not going to give you a whole bunch. It's just a starter pack. And let me show you the little box here. This is the cassette thing that it comes in, and here are your different options of the different label tapes that you can get. So I'm going to bring that up. Let's take a look at that. And yeah, so that's everything you get. So let's get to the assembly. I don't have a PC. I'm not close to my PC, so I'm not going to do a setup demonstration. But according to other videos that I've seen, it should be fairly simple. It should have built-in software into the device, so I don't think there's anything to download or install from what I've seen in other videos. But you can go through the manual a little more slowly, and it will tell you. I don't think there's very much in this manual. You do have some kind of QR code. I'm not sure what that's all about. Yeah, you can just go through that. I think you have multiple languages here. Yeah, I think you have multiple languages. So let's assemble the device and show you how it goes. So let's take a look at the device first, though. So up on top right here, you immediately see a power button, big power button. Your cut button to cut the label once you've printed it. It's like that. And then coming off to the right side, you have nothing. This is your compartment door. You don't have anything here other than the compartment door that opens up for you to access, for you to insert the cassette and the battery to get it ready for use. On the side here, you have nothing. There's nothing, just one panel there. On the bottom, you just have the stand, rubber feet. Nothing there, 2 rubber feet to keep it from sliding. On the back, you have one port, the one single port right there, which is just the USB port, nothing else. Back on the front, you have your slot where the label comes out, and after you print it, it comes out, and you cut it with this button there, which I've already shown you. And that's about it. You have an indicator light on top. I think it's a blue indicator light. So when it's powered on, this lights up blue to let you know that it's on. Alright. Also on the front right here, you have your access door. So you see this little arrow right here? I don't know if you guys can see that. The little arrow. Well, you just kind of grip this and you pull open and it opens the access door so you can get inside. We'll do that now. So you open it up, that's what you get. You have some written and stuff here. And inside, there's not a lot to have here. D1, which is probably the type of cassette that you need to buy. This is the cassette slot, the cassette deck, the slot right here, where the cassette goes in, the label. And this is your battery compartment right there. This is the battery cover. This is not an extra battery. It's a compartment cover, so you take that off and you insert the battery. So you have simple instructions on how to do that. This is what I struggled with the first time when I did the video, take number 1. So it is possible to put this in the wrong way. I don't think it's keyed. So see, it can go the wrong way like that. I don't think it'll close. But I mean, you could go in like this and struggle, but the lid won't close because it's in the wrong way. But you might just be thinking, well, it's in there, but no. You see this label side right here? This also looks like some kind of grip, so I don't know if this actually opens up and maybe it has replaceable cells inside. I'd have to get deeper into the instructions to see that. But if anybody out there knows, put it on the comments and let us know. So yeah, so the way this goes is you take the label goes facing toward the back, just like that. So it's going to go this way, not this way. Or just think of it, the long strip right here, it goes this way. So you're going to go in like this. This label towards the back. You pop it in like that. And then what you do, you press down on it. You press down so it can get properly seated. And then you have to make sure that you put the compartment cover right in the little slot right there. Right in the slot. And the problem I was having was that this wasn't fitting properly and it wasn't wanting to close. When I found that you have to actually press the battery in to lock it in. And then you just put your cover in like that. Make sure it's properly lined up or otherwise it won't close. You press down and there it is. So now to putting in the cassette. You make sure the cassette goes in. This is the clear side. This is the window. This is where you see the tape. Now you do have this label right here. Let me see. So you do have this label. This tells you that it's a black and white. So, but I got it out of screenshot because I'm actually seeing if the label can be removed. And okay, I don't think it can be removed. But anyway, it's there. The only reason why I was wanting to see if the label can be removed was because when you put the cassette in, you have this clear window. In this clear window, you could see how much tape you have in there. But since this is a starter cartridge, it comes like this. I was trying to see if the label could be removed, but I tried it, but no, it's going to leave sticky residue, so I'm going to just leave it like that. So the way the cassette goes in, this label side or clear side goes up. And the strip, you see the tape strip on top, faces this way. It faces toward the outside of the machine, just like that. So you just kind of make sure you fit it in there. Oh, and this is the spindle, so it has to line up with this little bracket thing here. I hope I'm getting it on camera. Oh no, I'm not. Bumping the camera here. Sorry about that. You see, that's a little spindle right there. If I could stop bumping the camera, I tell you. So right there. And it has to go, that little peg goes into this hole. So you just go in like that. And that's one of the bad things of being legally blind and having bad depth perception. This tripod pole is right here, and I'm constantly bumping it all the time because I'm looking at here and I can't see the pole. Frustrating moments, guys. Sorry about that. When you're visually impaired, it happens. So anyway, once you have it lined up, you press down, clicks in place, close the door, and you see there's your label right there. You should be able to see the tape instead of that label, but I tried to remove the label, but it's not going to come off very clean. So there it is. You're all set. It's ready to use. You just take your USB cable and you plug it in. And we'll come back into shot in a moment. I have to see how it goes. So you take your USB, line it up with the notches right here, like that. Pop it in, just like that. If it doesn't fit, twist it the other way around. It's notched, so it should tell you how it's supposed to go. Okay, so I had to do it off camera, but yeah, it's just like that. See, it goes in just like that. Just pops right in, and you're ready to go. You are ready to go. And now you just plug it into your PC, and it should be plug and play. I'm not close to my PC right now, so otherwise I would demonstrate that. But yeah, folks, this is your look, and this is the first look video at the Dymo label maker PNP for your PC or Mac. And yeah, I might provide a link in the description to the Amazon where I got it, to Amazon. But here's a barcode, and there's I think that's an inventory number or a SKU number. If you want to just type that in too, you can do that to look for this specific model. Or just type in Dymo label maker PNP in the search. Alright folks, so that's it. I've shown you just about all I can show y'all, so anyway, I'm not gonna do a setup video because there are plenty of setup videos out there already. So there's thousands of them. So if you want to learn how to set this up, I'm sure you'll find one somewhere. So anyway, folks, you all take care. I'll see you all in my next video. And like I said, you know, I've been on a roll with products. Lately, I've been purchasing quite a bit of products. Like I said before, I purchase my own products that I feature here. Nobody sends me anything. My channel is not sponsored. It's not even monetized. So I'm a small-time YouTuber, and I buy what I can and bring unboxings to you guys. Until one day, if a company decides they want to send me products, great. But I'm always going to give my true opinion on it, not what anybody wants me to say. So, yeah. But for the time being, I purchased my own stuff here on the channel, and that's about it. Alright folks, so y'all take care, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Peace.